How to enable or disable hide notification on TV on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here, so click on, scroll down and click on smart view. So after click on smart view, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in settings, so you will see hide notification to on TVs here. So if you want to enable and disable hide notification TV, so if you want to disable, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hide notification on TV is disabled. So if you want to enable hide notification on TV, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see hide notification on TV is enabled. So you will enable or disable hide notification TV from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable hide notification on TV on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.